Alright, so today we're going to be creating an impossible triangle in Adobe Illustrator. Now the first step is going to be to make a hexagon. And while it might seem sort of unintuitive, a hexagon, if we sort of split it up three ways, which we'll do here with the pen tool, is essentially 6 triangles that are facing or connecting in the center of the hexagon. So we're drawing lines from opposite ends of this hexagon using the pen tool, command clicking with each interval, and then we're going to select this entire hexagon with the 3 paths and use the divide pathfinder option, and you can see that it's sort of a group that now has various different paths. I'm just going to change the stroke just to make it a little bit nicer looking, a little more smooth. Now we're going to shrink it down and sort of center it on our screen just to get a good field of view. We're going to Option or Alt click and drag to copy the hexagon down, and we're going to do the same thing and drag it over and make sort of 2 tiers of these and make sure they're perfectly aligned by dragging from the anchor points. Now we're using the direct select tool and also click dragging to get one of those triangles and to fill in the edges of our triangular shape and sort of complete this mesh. So the next tool that we're going to use is going to be the shape builder tool, which can be found here. But before we can click on anything, we have to select the whole thing. And here I'm just going to group it to make that selection just a little bit easier. Now we're going to go from the top triangle all the way along the side, stopping right before that last triangle and repeating this pattern across to make across the 3 sides to make a frame. Now we're going to get one of these sides and kind of do something similar here to complete our impossible triangle. Alt or Option, click in the center to delete that from the shapes that we're creating. And now we can essentially we can fill it with, I'll choose a sort of turquoise color. Then I'm going to go into the Window Color Guides tool, and we can actually see that, let's say imagine that there was light hitting that surface. You can make this actually a little lighter, and then on the bottom there, you can make that a little darker. That seems right. There we have the impossible triangle.